Hello everyone, welcome back again to Foxtecc, and today we're gonna discuss how you can free up space on your iPhone without deleting any apps. If your device is running low on storage and you're not keen on removing apps, there are some effective ways which you can use to get some space back. So let's get started with this. First, let's look at how you can identify what's taking up storage on your iPhone. You go to these settings, then tap on a general and finally select iPhone storage. After a moment, you'll see a detailed breakdown for your usage of the storage, showing which apps and data are consuming the most space. And this is a crucial step to understand where your storage is actually being used. You might notice, depending on your device of course, that for example photos and videos take up a significant portion of your storage. It wouldn't make much sense to delete apps if the majority of your storage is occupied by media files. A practical solution is to review your photos and videos. You can also back up these files to a cloud service or transfer them to another device to free up space on your specific iPhone. This way, you retain all your media and apps, and you also get some storage back. Another common situation for storage consumption are attachments in your Messages app. For example, photos and videos sent and received through iMessage are usually stored on your device, and over time they can accumulate a substantial amount of space. By reviewing and deleting these attachments, you can free up storage without touching your apps. Simply go through the messages and remove the attachments that you no longer need. Now let's talk about a feature called Offloading Apps. In the iPhone storage section, you have the option to offload individual apps. Offloading essentially means that the app itself is removed, but the documents and the data are kept on your device. This is useful for apps that take up a lot of space but contain data you don't want to lose. So you don't really just remove the app altogether. You can just reinstall the app back and all your data will be restored and you can continue when you are left off. This method can save significant space while ensuring your important information is preserved, so you just get the app back and all the files are just there. So these were all the things that you can do. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more content in the future, and I will see you in the next video.